Hello my people, I welcome you to another amazing development and the insightful details surrounding it. Today, we'll be delving into an extraordinary infrastructural project attempt, which is the construction of the world's largest runway project that is currently ongoing in Ghana. This construction is led by a visionary Ghanaian Member of Parliament, who is Dr. Brian Champong, famously known for building the biggest ever hotel in Africa, right in Ghana. The Member of Parliament for Abitifi announced this amazing endeavor, which has been silently ongoing, to transform Kwewu, which is a suburb in Ghana, into a global hub, only announcing this grand project recently. Its progress, he said, is rapidly ongoing smoothly. So today, join us as we explore the details, challenges and the far-reaching impact of this groundbreaking initiative should he succeed. Buckle up as it's going to be very exciting. Before I dive into any details, please hit the like button to show your appreciation and support for such informative and insightful content. With that out of the way, let's get right into the details. This runway construction project is rather ambitious, with many already skeptical to start, but the project was heard directly from the mouth of Dr. Brian Champong, who has already proven himself by building the biggest ever hotel in the entire Africa. So him building the world's longest runway is not far-fetched. This project is nestled in the scenic hills of Ghana's eastern region, that is Kwewu. Dr. Brian Champong has been a dynamic leader and also a former Minister for Food and Agriculture. He unveiled this plan that transcends the traditional infrastructural project, as his brilliant insight is that the Kwewu Airport, which will be located in the Nkwantanan-Ehinasi area, will not merely serve as an aviation facility, but also be a transformative force for economic and social progress. Hence, the attempt to build the longest ever runway in the entire world. The project is a bold statement of Ghana's ambition to compete on the global stage, announced by one visionary. He plans to showcase that engineering ingenuity is something that Ghana is not lacking, and Ghana is committed to sustainable development. The centerpiece of the initiative is the runway, which was earlier envisioned at 4 kilometers, now will be surpassing the global giants like the 16,000-foot runway at Rikazi Peace Airport in China and also the Vostony Airport in Russia. This extraordinary length will enable the airport to accommodate the world's largest aircraft, from massive commercial jets to heavy cargo planes, opening doors to international connectivity previously unimagined for the region. Kwewu itself is relatively new to this kind of development, and Dr. Champong himself was the first to bring the biggest ever hotel in Africa into the region. The hotel has been verified as the largest ever hotel in the entire Africa. Hence, this project's feasibility is not challenged. Dr. Champong's foresight extends far beyond aviation logistics. He envisions the Kwewu Airport as the cornerstone for a thriving tourism and also investment hub. He is an indigene of Kwewu and intending to make the region an aviation catalyst in Ghana. Kwewu is already a beloved destination, renowned for its vibrant Easter celebrations and also the annual paragliding festivals that has been drawing the thrill seekers and also tourists from around the globe. The airport will amplify this appeal, making Kwewu more accessible to international visitors and also positioning it as a premier destination in Africa. The Kwewu Airport was announced some years back, but its progress hasn't been made public, as many of us thought the 4-kilometer runway was nothing magnificent to write home about. But this current trajectory to make it the airport with the longest ever runway is something that is creating buzz. This attempt will make the project the most significant airport in Ghana, because even the Kotoka International Airport doesn't compare anywhere to the longest ever runways in the entire world. It promises to create thousands of jobs, from construction workers to the aviation professionals, empowering the local communities and also boosting the regional economy. Not much information was presented to this effect. However, Dr. Brian Champong has called for visitors to come check out the airport's progress to see for themselves. Once that is done, more details will be brought to you on this channel. Also, the project's ownership, being it a private investment or a government initiative, isn't known to the public as of now. But one thing we know is that it will be empowering the local community and also boosting the regional economy as well. The airport's location is also terrific. It is in between the two largest capital cities in Ghana, between Ghana's capital, Accra, and also the capital of the Ashanti region, that is Kumasi, the second largest city in Ghana. It is also 500 meters to the Volta Lake, which adds another layer of opportunity that Dr. Brian Champong brilliantly highlighted. The proximity could revolutionize transport logistics, particularly for agricultural exports from the northern part of Ghana and the Afram Plains, which are the main agricultural hubs of Ghana. By integrating air and water transport, the airport could attract global logistic giants who rely on efficient supply chains, and due to that, having been as effective in Ghana as we wish it to be, the potential for the warehouse The potential for warehousing, sorting facilities, and even flight training academy further elevates Kweu's role as a nerve center for regional and international trade. This will be fostering a ripple effect of prosperity. The construction of the world's largest runway in Ghana seems far-fetched, but the visionary who proposed the project thinks otherwise. It will be a monumental undertaking, filled with technical, financial, and regulatory challenges, but it's something that's worthwhile. It will either succeed or fail. Now, the inception of this project has been over 2 years ago. The Koru Airport project has undergone rigorous scrutiny to ensure it meets international standards. Dr. Echampon's leadership has been instrumental in securing the critical approvals, including an environmental permit from the Environmental Protection Agency in March 2022. The ongoing discussions with the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority and the national security have addressed the complex issues like airspace analysis, demonstrating a commitment to safety and compliance. The construction was set to begin in August 2023, with the runway designed to eclipse the 3.2 kilometers of runway that the Kutuka International Airport has. But little did we know that Dr. Baini Champon would be attempting to construct the longest ever runway that the entire world has seen. This has raised critical questions about the feasibilities of this construction, citing the immense resources that will be required to surpass the existing global records. However, Dr. Baini Champon's transparent communication and strategic planning is holding fast. This attempt is boosted in confidence as the project has been deemed to be viable. His approach emphasized the collaborations of stakeholders and a verifiable progress, that is, inviting people to check out this verifiable project for themselves, ensuring that the ambitious vision remains grounded in reality. The Koru Airport is now more than just a local project, as it will be a game changer for Ghana and Africa once this feat is accomplished, and by fostering the job creation and infrastructural development, it will see Ghana soar higher. It aligns with the continental trends, such as Ethiopia's $8 billion airport and others. Dr. Baini Champon envisions the small region of Koru as a global logistics hub, capable of attracting organizations like the World Food Programme, which could establish release storage facilities to serve disaster-prone regions in Africa. This strategic positioning could reshape global supply chains, bringing economic benefits to Ghana and strengthening its role as a leader in African innovation. The projects meet the optimism that's been attached to it. Ghana's audacious quest to build the world's longest airport runway in Koru is at hand, led by the visionary Dr. Baini Champon. The project, once completed, will be a testament to vision, resilience, and the power of a big dream. Stay tuned for more updates, as I'll be bringing you more updates on the transformative journey. And also, once inspection is carried out, I'll be letting you know the timelines of this project and the feasibility aspect. What are your thoughts on Dr. Baini Champon attempting to build the Koru Airport that will be having the longest ever runway in the entire world? Share your thoughts in the comment section below about the feasibilities and what you think about the project. Also, don't forget to smash the like button to inform others as well. Subscribe to this channel and hit the post notification to not miss any details brought to you on this channel. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.